that immediately. When you open your PC lab, this is what the first screen you see. Then what you need to do, if you want to write your text here, your words or sentence, this is it. So you click on this edit here now to edit your text. So you edit and write anything you want, or you do just short thing. They just take Bera, the first words of enterprise name. So you click OK. So now wonder you design this better, but I wonder we make it to look something nice. But so now edit it and then cancel the word there and leave just B or add the other one later. So leave just B is a B. Click OK, and then open it. Increase the size here like this. And then with the next thing now, you scroll and come here to change the text, the fonts, what you look like. So you come here and click on fonts. Open you. These are different fonts. If you like, you take any one. You choose any one here. If you like, you choose any one here. So these are different texture. These are different fonts. Pardon. Then this is the one I want us to use. This kanji. This kanji bar here. You click OK. You see how it's looking. You increase the size a bit, and then we scroll now. You come here. If you want to change, use color, and you want to change the color of this word, you can scroll under here. You see color. This color you can take CC color. If we choose any color here now, it will change to the color. You see, it will change. See how the colors is changing. But that's not what I want us to do. You mark it wrong, and then you want that we should put texture or something that it look nice. You can even put your pictures there. You see your image inside this word or your letter. So we click on this texture here. You open this window. Then you click here on this image. You open images in your gallery immediately. So you choose anything that you want, any image that you want to put there. So you scroll down and then you choose any image that you want to use. Anything that you want to use. So I want us to use one particular image here. I want to use one particular image here. Okay, this is it here, this one. So you click on it. When you click, you open this new window here. You click OK. It's asking you to crop it. So you click OK. This is it. You see we are already having something. It's already looking nice, right? So you click here on this tick here. Now the next thing that you want to do here is want to write something. You want to write the remaining of Bera, the remaining letter of Bera inside this letter. So how do we do that? You find now, you click here on an empty space, then you click on this thing here. You open this window down here. You see these are different things you can use. So you will click on shapes. You click here and you take this round shape here. We reduce it like this. Reduce it like this, and then we take it down. Reduce it like this. We take it down here. Position it. You can put it anywhere on your letter where you want it. So okay, let's increase the size more. Okay, we leave it there now like that. You click OK here. So we want to merge these two images because we want to remove a small space in the middle there where we can write our words, and you enter just in the middle there. So we have to merge this first letter and then the shape that we just took. So in order to merge it, you click on this thing here. You open this one. You click down here. You open this one. So you tick the two, and then you click in the middle here. They ask you, are you sure you want to merge the selected object? You click OK. So it's okay. You see the two have merged together. You can move all of them now together. So the next thing you want to do now, you scroll down here. We want to remove color. In order to remove color, you come here and they say erase color. You click on erase color. Enable it. Enable. You see I've already removed space. You see there's already space there. So you click OK. Now we want to write the remaining of our letters now inside this space we have just removed. So in order to write the letter, you click again on this A here, and then you see text plus here. Or you can also click up here on this plus, you see text or current date, so you click on text, you open new text window, so we drag it in the middle, and then drag in the middle, increase the size, we take it where we want it to be, so we edit, click on edit, you open your this window, so you edit, write our remaining letter, which is EARE, okay, for better. So now I want to change the fonts, you scroll here again, come here, change the fonts. I have to change the font, you use anything, so one that we use the Amaranth Bold, this one, click OK. So now I want to change the size of this image so that it should be bigger. In order to change the size, I can also increase on the screen here by dragging, opening it here like this, and adjusting it, putting it where it should be. Or I can also scroll down here like this. You can also scroll down here like this, you see this size. If you increase, you see that you'll be increasing. If you reduce, you see that the letters too, will be decreasing. So that is it. You click on OK. When the size is at suit you, click OK. And then next thing I want to do, we want to change the texture there too. We can put color, but I wonder we should take something nice. So you come again to your texture. You click here. You also click here again. You open straight in your gallery, so we choose something nice again. Look, anything, you can choose any color. So okay, when we choose this one, you take this one, then you click OK here. You see that is it there. We click OK. That is it. You see, it's there like that. We can. So the next thing I want us to do, I want that we make it 3D shape. So in order to make it 3D shape, we first start with the first letter that we have. We click on the letter. We click on this square here, down here, this thing, and then we scroll to the end. You see different things here. You can use all these things. You can test them if you want. You can test them to see the function. You click on it. If it doesn't go, you cancel. So what do I want us to do? I want us to put it on 3D shape. This is, you click on this 3D shape, and then this when they open, you enable. When you enable, you see your screen. So you scroll down here. You scroll down here, and then if you like, you add the div. Increase. You see. You can also reduce. Then when it suits you, you leave it where you want it to be. Let's leave it on 18, and then you click OK. Then the next thing that you do, the letters that we put in the middle, we have to work on it too. So we click on the letter, and then you click on A. You also scroll down, you come to our 3D text, you click on it, enable, you see, it's already enabled it, so we also add it to 18. It is on 18, yes, that's it on 18, you click OK. Now when we should move the letter a little bit up, so you can also move it by touching on the screen and move it up like this, but if you cannot really get it there, you can also come down here, this position, you click on this position, see, you click here, you go behind, click here, you come down, click up, so you have to adjust. I wonder we should adjust, so click down small, take it to the edge, yes, that is it, you click OK. So you see it's already looking good, right? So the next thing we want to do now, we join our two, the first letter and the last words together. So in order to merge them again, you also click here again. You click on this thing down here, and then you mark all the two, you tick all the two box, and then you click here in the middle, and then you click, it asks you if you want to merge, you click OK. You want to merge, you click OK. So after some seconds, okay, so that is it. You see, you can move all the two letters now together. You can increase all their sizes now together. You see, you can reduce it. Okay, So let's leave it on this side. So the next thing I want us again to do, let's make it to be shiny small. Okay, in order to do that, you click here again, you scroll to the last here and you take emboss, click on emboss, enable it here. You see you see how it's already shiny. So like you just leave it here like that, and like you change it here, you see how it's changing. But I want to leave it on 90. That is it on 90. Click OK. You see how what is already shining. So now the next thing I want us to do is I want that we should change the background. In order to change the background, you click on this thing right here. If you click here, these are images that you can use. See, when you click there, the background is changing the background. So this one is what came with the application. So you can also come here if you don't want to use those one. If you like it, let me just say we take okay. But if you want to change it, maybe you want a picture from your gallery to be there, so you click on here where they say from gallery, so you click there, you open straight in your gallery. So you choose your background, what you want to put in your background. You choose anything that you want, how your background you want it to look like. You choose it, and then you put your thing there. When you choose the one, and then wait. So here now, when you open this window, you see this. Let me show you this thing here. You can increase or reduce. But this other box, you see this box that you see here. There, if you choose any of the box, you see that the shape here will change. So you choose the one. You see how it will look like. If you choose square, it will be square. If you choose this long, it will be this long. If you choose rectangle, see, it will be rectangle. So I want us to, let's take square, and then let's just take it up small like this. No, let's take it like this. Yes, leave it here, and then you click OK. That is it. So now you see your background have changed. So if you like now, you reduce your image by clicking here on this button. You reduce it. You see, that is it. We already have our thing design. That is it. If you like to change the background, you can change it. So it's all your choice. You can change it and put anything that you want to put on your background. So that is it. If you like, you choose any background. Let's say you take this one, you click here, you see your background is already changed. So let's just reduce your image is small. That is it. That's it. So in order to save your image, now you click on this thing up here. It asks you save as project or save as image. You save as image. You click there. Then you click save in gallery. So your picture is already safe. So now that is it.